Welcome back, plant lovers. Today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of Monstera Deliciosa, the iconic Swiss cheese plant that's captured the hearts of indoor gardeners everywhere. In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about propagating your Monstera Deliciosa the right way, so you can expand your green family and watch your plant collection flourish. Let's get started. Before we jump into the process, let's talk about why propagation is such an exciting journey. Propagation is the process of growing new plants from existing ones, and with Monstera Deliciosa, it's a fantastic way to share the love and expand your collection without breaking the bank. There are a few different methods for propagating Monstera Deliciosa, but today, I'll be focusing on two of the most popular techniques: water propagation and soil propagation. Both methods have their benefits, so feel free to choose the one that works best for you and your plant parenting style. Let's start with water propagation. This method involves rooting your Monstera cuttings in water before transferring them to soil once they've developed roots. To begin, take a healthy cutting with at least one node and place it in a jar of water, making sure the node is submerged. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh, and watch as roots begin to form over the coming weeks. Now let's talk about soil propagation. This method involves planting your Monstera cuttings directly into soil and allowing them to root and grow in their new environment. Start by preparing a pot with well-draining soil, then plant your cutting, making sure the node is buried beneath the surface. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving new Monstera plant. Once your Monstera cuttings have rooted and started to grow, it's essential to provide them with the care they need to thrive. Keep them in a warm, humid environment with bright indirect light, and water them regularly to keep the soil evenly moist. With the right care, your propagated Monstera plants will grow into healthy, vibrant specimens in no time. And there you have it, everything you need to know to propagate your Monstera Deliciosa like a pro. Whether you choose water propagation or soil propagation, the key is patience and care. With a little love and attention, you'll soon be surrounded by a jungle of beautiful Monstera plants. Thanks for watching, and happy propagating! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips and tricks. Until next time, keep on growing.